Well, now, not many people were expecting that now, were they? Except for us here at Emoji Finance. Welcome to Emoji Finance, everyone. I am going to be your host, Z, all the way from the UK. And today we're going to be looking at the charts in a bite sized fashion. Buckle up, folks. It's going to be fast. We're taking you through some price predictions and showing you exactly how we are going to be making some ginormous gains in addition to all the gains we've made today. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Let's get into it. And welcome back, you fantastical smart traders. As I said, I am Z, your host today here at Emoji Finance. I hope you are all subscribed and I want you to hit that notification button because you don't want to miss a thing. Now, as we have confirmed all our predictions since last week, you don't want to miss out any more price analysis, chart analysis, and our views on Bitcoin coming up because we're going to be sharing you our most up to date price predictions as we move through this downtrend. Right on, folks. Just as a quick disclaimer here, we are not independent financial advisors, all right? So these videos are purely just to show you, they are educational, just to show you what we are seeing and what we are trading. This does not imply that you should be doing the same as us. We are purely just showing you exactly what we're trading and our gains on Bitcoin. Right on, folks. Let's get into it. Let me bring up my screen. And we're starting on the daily. As you can see here, I just want to quickly show you what we've been tracking on the macro level. Yes, that's it. We track Elliott wave macro through to micro, right? These macro level predictions, which are absolutely spot on and 100% correct, have given us all the indications and the price analysis we need to make the most of our small microwaves. All right. These are purely just here to show you that these microwaves are mostly given to us by tracking the macro stuff. So we are not willy nilly price predicting scammers, folks. We give it to you as we see it. And guess what? We have absolutely nailed it. Right. Now, let's quickly get rid of the macro stuff just for a second. And I'm going to show you what we're expecting. So you saw that 1 to 5 macro move as I showed you there. And now, wait up. Don't go away. Now we are seeing a corrective A, B, C. All right. We absolutely nailed that A exactly as it was and then predicted this B based off of the A wave. Absolutely nailed it. And now we are in the C wave going down. Okay. Folks, you don't want to miss this. Don't be put off by the fact that we are entering a bear market, or in our opinion, actually entered the bear market already. Okay. You can trade bear market just as you trade bull market. It's a fantastic way to make huge money. And you don't want to miss out because look at how big this is. Let's quickly get a quick little percentage on there. This could potentially take us all the way. Now, let's be a little bit prudent. I'm not going to go all the way down to the teens. Let's say we go down to 22 just for argument's sake. That's a huge 57% profit you're missing out on if you don't trade bear markets. Come on, folks. You don't want to be doing that. If you're a true trader and a true money maker, get into it. Don't stop because we're going into a bear market. All right, quick little overview. I'm going to be showing you on the 4 hour when we get there how this B to C, meaning the C wave, has 5 impulse waves within it. Okay, these are not going to go straight down from B to C. We're going to see these corrective waves within this. It's going to be a 5-wave movement down, just as you see here from A to B. We have a 5-wave movement up from A to B. It's going to be the same thing, folks, from B to C. Okay, so that is what B and I are currently looking at as we trade this move from B to C. It's not going to be a straight down move, and markets generally don't move in a straight down strike. Okay, so as I say again, if you're interested in price predictions going down and how we are trading these movements, don't forget to subscribe. You want to be one of the early subscribers to this channel. All right. As I said, we are going to be giving away big once we reach our 1,000 subscribers. In addition to the big prize we're giving away, you also get to see how we make dollar on the way down. Alrighty then. That is the macro movements I wanted to show you, and also how we reach our micro movements. In addition to that, I also just want to take another look at this RSI. I showed you in my last video last week what I was looking for. Folks, do yourself a favor and go back and watch that video. You don't want to miss that video, because it was absolutely nailed with our price predictions, or general movement to the downside, when all the other YouTubers were shouting bull market, we're going up, we're going up. We gave you the most unbiased price prediction action on YouTube. That's what we do at Emoji Finance. It's all about unbiased price movements. We're not just moon boys, even though fundamentally we are, and long term we're going up. We 100% believe that, and from that perspective we're moon boys. But in the short term, we are unbiased. We want to be giving you the truth. We don't want to be giving you the news that just makes you FOMO into trades and lose money, and all for their own gain. That is not what we do here at Emoji Finance. We pride ourselves on being truthful and giving you all sides of the picture. Right on, folks. Back to the RSI. I drew in this channel for you last week, and then I drew the middle channel in, right? So we were originally wedged between, let me just move this out here quick for illustrative purposes. We were originally wedged between this channel, right? And we were cruising down. And then I said, you could probably make the argument that there's a triangle formed in the daily RSI as well. And Bob's your uncle, this was actually a little bit lower. So let me just put it down where it was when I originally drew it. Bob's your uncle, we got rejection off of that. I said to you, what you want to look for is either we break through that, in which case we'd be going to the golden pocket, as I mentioned, was up around this level, in which case you might not want to short below the 48K mark. And B and I actually opened shorts around the 40K mark, 48K mark. I'm sorry. Or we get a bounce off of this and we go down, in which case our entries at 48K were going to be singing and dancing. And that's exactly what happened. We are now singing and dancing. So that's the RSI, folks. Keep an eye on this. The daily has still some maneuvering movement down to the bottom. We are definitely, in my opinion, coming down to retest this. This might not happen overnight, and is more than likely will take a week or two, maybe even 3 to 4 weeks to come down and test that. As I said, these waves don't move straight down. They happen in waves, all right? As the name Elliott Wave suggests. Right on then. That's it for the RSI. Another thing I'm going to quickly show you folks is just move this distraction out the way. Let's get it completely out the way then. What I'm going to be showing you is what I see, and actually B has confirmed when I spoke to him this afternoon whilst we were on the charts, analyzing away, making the dollar, what we saw was something like this. Okay. And as a matter of fact, since having this conversation with him, it seems that this happens every single top of the bull market. We seem to have this triangle that forms. If only my computer would play a game and I could get this up for you sooner rather than later. Because boy, it seems to be a problem for me at the moment. Righto, it seems that we are forming a triangle. As I said to you, this seems to be a common reoccurring pattern every single top we see. All right, let me quickly redraw this in there. Boom. And there. Okay, it's not exactly the neatest triangle, but you get the gist and you get what I'm trying to tell you. Every single top, what happens? It seems that we seem to be forming this triangle. All right. There are many more that B and I discovered earlier, but I'm just showing you some obvious ones here so I don't have the tomfoolery around. I said this is going to be a quick bite-sized update, and I want to stay true to that. All right. So there we have it. This triangle seems to be forming. All right. What we predict is going to happen is, as you see, we come up, hit an all-time high, smash it down to the bottom, test the bottom, and then come up again, down, test it again, and now we've come up. Everyone was singing and dancing bull market. Oh, we're gonna hit an all-time high. I'm a moon boy, all-time high. And what's just happened? Oh, the big dogs called the trade, and it's happening right now. Oh, wow. Look at that. Is that just the head and shoulders I've accidentally created? Must be my mental sentiment at the moment. We are in a bear market. Do not kid yourself. We're going down. All right. You don't want to be on the wrong side of the market because you want to be making all the gains. Yipper. That's it. Okay, that's it for the daily, folks. I'm going to quickly move on and show you what I'm seeing. Okay, this is it. Traditional markets. Let's have a look at this. For those of you who think that Bitcoin is independent to traditional markets or independent to the economy because of the fundamentals of what Bitcoin actually is and blockchain, boy, oh boy, I'm sorry for you because that is not the case. All right. Here at Emoji Finance, we analyze more than just Bitcoin. Even though we keep showing you Bitcoin, we look at the whole picture. We look at full economy. All right. We like to look at a rounded, unbiased picture. And as part of that is the Dow Jones and traditional markets. And guess what? Bitcoin is not independent because look at what the Dow Jones did today and look at what our price prediction is. It's going to be low 30 points at the very least. All right. We're going down. But like Bitcoin going down, it's going to take some time. So don't expect a general damn huge pump straight up. It will take time, but I'm almost certain it will get there. All right. Let's also quickly take a look at the news. Dow plunges. Oh, wow. That's a quick little move change as I wanted to show you. I'll bring that article up again. Dow ends more than 600 points lower as Evergrande fears shake markets. Folks, the point here really, and you'll see another news article here, stock market news is so unreliable. All right. This stuff, the stock market may be losing steam. Is it time to sell? This is the stuff B and I have been analyzing in the charts for weeks now. In fact, actually, months. We predicted the stuff months ago. You don't want to be following the news because months ago, the news was telling you stock prices are soaring to all time highs. It's going to continue soaring. They got everyone to FOMO into the news. All right. And if you don't know what's going on in the charts, you too likely could have FOMOed into the news. Not just the news, but there are also huge moon boys across YouTube doing the exact same thing. They are getting everyone hyped on the hopium. And folks, guess what? Sometimes you fall for it and then end up getting stung badly. All right. Be aware of that. What you really want is unbiased Bitcoin chart analysis if that is what you're trading. And that is what we here at Emoji Finance are here to do. We want the best for you, for us, for everyone. All right. That's it. Let's get into the 4 hour again. Okay, so earlier on, I showed you the ABC. Okay, now, as I also said to you earlier on, we're going to be seeing waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within the ABC and the C wave down. Right. These are the initial price predictions that we have come up with here at Emoji Finance. We believe we have confirmed the two wave down, or at least confirmed it until we are disproved that we are in a two wave. All right. There are various indicators that B and I do look out for when trading Elliott wave. A few indicators might at some point tell us that we are not in wave three. Sorry, I think I might have been saying wave two. We are currently in wave three. We believe that we are in wave three until proven otherwise. But if I'm very honest, it's going to take a lot to kind of disprove this for me at the moment, at least. But if at any point we feel that wave three is disproved, we will, of course, get out information to you ASAP. That is not something we would drag our feet on, and we would let you know straight away. But for now, this is what we currently believe. We are currently in wave three. Just as a side note, as you see here on a bigger scale, that we have the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within this larger wave C. It therefore stands to reason that we also going to have 5 minor waves within this 3 wave. Okay, so expect the price to also go up slightly and see small retracements. From a rally like this, we are expecting there to be small reliefs within this price drop. Okay, I'm not suggesting that we're going to be trading these small reliefs because it takes up a lot of time, and sometimes within a wave three you also possibly don't get big reliefs and it becomes really hard to trade. So what I think I'm likely to do is on Bybit, I will have just a short going all the way down and I'll just hold it. I'll hold it until it reaches my certain price level predictions. And maybe on Prime XBT, I'll be opening up longs whenever I expect the waves within the macro wave here to play out. We are likely to potentially at some point share what those waves potentially look like. However, not 100% sure we want to do that just yet because of how risky that is. For now, though, folks, these are the price predict. This is the price prediction as promised for wave 3 and wave 4. Those are the two confirmed ones by our analysis. For now, we will, of course, keep you up to date as we track these charts. There is potential that some of these change at some point if our confirmation on the Elliott wave theory tells us so. But for now, these are almost as good as gold in our opinion. Let's quickly look at the RSI on the 4 hour. Wow, it looks like we've completely smashed down to the bottom of it. It stands to reason that because we're at the bottom, we should see a relief. As I said to you, it is quite common that we do get a relief within this huge droppage that we've just seen. And so that's what I'm looking out for now. I'm not getting too crazy on a high leverage short at the moment because I've already made huge gains. And so I'm just waiting for the small release and then potentially increasing my leverage at some point. Okay, VPVR. I want to have a quick look at that. Wow, how uncanny. Look at this. We have a high volume node roughly around our price prediction over here. Damn, folks, this is starting to sound a little bit and look a little bit surreal to us. We are just getting confirmation upon confirmation of our price here and some of our movements. Absolutely stoked with that. Another indicator B and I absolutely love is the EMA candle close strategy. Look at this. Look at what's happened here. We've literally just today got another short signal here on the 4 hour. Okay. And what that means is the 18, 13, and 21 EMA have closed below the 55. And that usually gives us a short signal. If you want to backtest that, go ahead and do so. You will see that this is almost an accurate trading indicator. Folks, you need to use it with some other analysis, though. Don't just rely on this indicator because sometimes it can bounce back up into a long position, for example, if you've just entered a short. But as far as we're concerned, it's good as gold with our other analysis and just sort of supports our general sentiment. Right on, folks. I think that's about as bite size as you need from me tonight. I don't think I need to be divulging any more information than what I've given you there. What I've given you there is exactly what we're seeing and exactly how we're going to be playing this bad boy and this droppage all the way to that Lambo gains. All right. Yeah, that's it. We're going to be freaking killing it here at Emoji Finance, and I hope you do too. I hope this information is useful to you, and I hope you take it away and confirm it with your own analysis. Right, folks? Biggest takeaway I can give you here tonight, though, is don't believe the hopium. Do technical analysis. Do your own research and your own work. Don't get wrecked by all the hopium out there on YouTube and the news, because guess what, folks? It just does not play out exactly as the news wants you to believe it. And then you end up getting wrecked by institutions. Here at Emoji Finance, though, we give you the unbiased news, the unbiased analysis, and the analysis that gives you the gains. All right. Make sure, though, when you make the gains, that we show you if you choose to use it on your own analysis as well. Please go ahead and tell your fam, tell Auntie Betty up the road that the big dog showed you the big trades here on Emoji Finance. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your Monday evening or Monday, Tuesday morning, wherever you are in the world. Enjoy the rest of your week as well, and have fun trading, folks. Be kind to others, live your life, and make big gains. That's for me. Adios.